How do you build a big email list with PLR? This is one of the things that really works for me, and I'll just show you what I'm doing. I've built an email list several times. I just built an email list with over 450 in just a couple of weeks. And I'm using PLR, I'm using certain tactics. These aren't secrets, but this is what I've been doing, and it works, and I know it'll work for you too. I'm Brian Toder with PLR Ideas, where I talk about PLR, use PLR, and how to make money with PLR. And be sure to get my PLR checklist. There's a link in the description. Click on it, get to this page, and get this amazing checklist on how to find the best PLR, how to create products and make money with PLR. All right, let's find out how to build an email list, a big email list using PLR. And this is for any niche. I'm saying that there's no niche that this really won't work in. And it's 3 easy steps, and I'll talk about each step. Number 1, get good PLR. 2, use a lead magnet. And I did a video about that, so I'm not going to talk about this step number 2 a lot because I already did a video about that. And step number 3 is drive traffic to your website page, a landing page, an opt-in page. You need traffic, and I'll talk about all of these. Okay, so step number 1 is get good PLR. And today I'm going to talk about Content Sparks. Now, why? They have some of the best PLR on the planet. And just to show you how much I believe in them, this is all the PLR that I bought. These are mainly for businesses. And what I mean is, it's not PLR about getting over fears and how to eat better or lose weight or anything like that. It's PLR for businesses. And the only reason that I'm talking about it here is I want to show you something special that they have in their PLR that will really make this so much easier. So in Content Sparks, this one is email marketing, how to build a list of loyal subscribers. So when I go into their product, you get 3 packages. One is for the facilitator, that would be you. You also get for the participant. So if you're going to teach this, that's what this is for. And then there's the promotional materials. And that's the one I want to talk about right now, because you get a couple of things. You get the lead magnet, the e-covers for all of those, and you get the sales page. And truly, I love it when I don't have to do a lot of work. And Content Sparks really has everything you really need. So just to repeat, the facilitator materials, that's what you would use if you were going to teach the course. This is what they get, especially if you're going to do a course, a class, or anything like that. And this is how you promote it with the lead magnet, sales page, slideshow, e-covers, opt-in emails, everything you really need. So to repeat, step 1 is get good PLR, and Content Sparks is wonderful. I also talk about tools for motivation, plr.me, and others. All of the links are below this video. And since we're talking about lead magnets, step 2 is use a lead magnet. And I did a video about that, so I'm not going to really talk about step 2 since I already did that video for you. You can click on that link at the top of the video, and there's also a link in the description box. And lastly, step 3 is drive traffic to your page. And I have GetResponse on the screen right now. Why? Because you need an email company to capture all the email leads, the automations, all the features. And one of the best things about GetResponse is you can get in and start for free. And I mean really free. So when they're talking about free, you get up to 500 contacts. And once you pass 500 contacts, then you'll pay for their program. However, if you have 501 contacts, you should be making money. And the good thing about this is when you're getting sales and your business is making money, your business is virtually free. So you're still going to get GetResponse for free. I don't pay for it. My business pays for it. Same thing for you. Also, besides the email marketing, you can set up your own webinars. And this is part of your program. It will have a website builder, automations, and you start for free. I'm really impressed with GetResponse. There is a link below this video. Get the free version, start that way, and play around with their website builder, the webinar if you want, the automations, but start building your email list with GetResponse. One of the things I really love about GetResponse is that it has a free landing page. My website, PLR Ideas, is a landing page from GetResponse. It was easy, it was simple, so this is why I recommend getting GetResponse. And that's how you get their email and you build your email list. And for me, I use two of these to get traffic. I use YouTube and LinkedIn. Soon I'm going to start using solo ads, but right now I use YouTube and LinkedIn. You can use any of these, all of these, or at least one or two. Start with one. If I can suggest, YouTube is a lot of fun, and that's why I use YouTube. It works, it's free, and I haven't said this yet. Subscribe to this channel and ring the bell for the updates. So it's 3 easy steps to build a big email list. 1, get good PLR. 2, use a lead magnet. And 3, drive traffic to your website. And all of the links are below this video. Get GetResponse, CANVA, and look around Content Sparks. I think you'll really like it, especially for building your email list. So building an email list is not that hard to do. And it's one of the major skills and things that you need to do in your business, because if you're not consistently building your email list with subscribers, sending out emails and all that, you're really not in business. It's the key to have an audience, people who will trust you, and of course, you're going to sell your products or services to these people. That's how everybody does this. So really build your email list. All of the links that I talked about in this video are below this video. Get CANVA, GetResponse. Do what you have to do to build your email list. I am Brian Toder with PLR Ideas, where I talk about PLR, use PLR, and how to make money with PLR. We'll talk soon.